All right, so I wanted to take a second and look at this tweet right here, which says, been thinking about this more seriously lately. Vibe right now is beginners are delicate, can't stress them out. But it should be the shit is hard AF. But you can do it too and be a badass. And this is, we're just talking about programming, all this kind of stuff. Someone said blah, 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 programming. But I really wanted to just zoom in on this for a second because I really think there's something special here. So let's just talk about this for a moment. Yeah, I haven't planned this. I literally just read this and just hit record. Second channel vibes, right? You just get it right off the cuff, right off the heart. Real talk though, there are so many of you that have imposter syndrome. There's so many of you feel like you can't do it. There's so many of you stuck in tutorial hell. And a lot of it comes from the fact that people don't want to make it hard for you. They want it to be very easy. They give you all the right paths through all the right solutions. And the problem is that you don't learn by doing everything right. You don't learn by having it easy. You learn by having it hard. You learn by just spending night after night trying to figure out some stupid bug that doesn't make any sense to you. And that is truly where the great software engineers are made. And so I really do hope you can internalize this and take this in and understand that if you approach this looking for something easy, you will be sad. But if you approach this looking for something hard, willing to do the hard things, understand that discipline is freedom, baby. You just get after it. You will find that you have never had something better. Your job will be better. Your excitement will be better. It is a heart condition that's hard to get, but amazing to have. So take the moment, really think about it. Think about how you've been approaching software lately. And, just understand that it is going to be hard. And I hope that you make the hard decisions, not the easy one. My wife always says this one thing, which I think is amazing, which is you get to choose your hard, right? So yeah, you can look for all the easy tutorials. You can never go outside of your comfort zone. But here's the deal. Anytime you approach anything that's like a little bit outside of that comfort zone, it's going to feel foreign and kind of scary. And you're going to feel really unequipped. And you're going to also just have this imposter syndrome raging inside of your heart. Or you can choose a different kind of hard. You can choose the heart of, I'm going to be a badass. I'm going to understand this. I'm going to do the work required to become good at my craft. Choose your hard. I hope you choose the good one. The name is the Primeagen. Hey, and by the way, subscribe to this channel. It's a great channel. It's a side channel. You're getting this for free, okay? Look at this. No editing. This is raw off the top of the head stream of consciousness.